Do we have an agreement? You work for me, and in exchange, I will keep your little secret.
Okay, deal. What do you want me to do?
What is going on?
Whoa.
What's with the X-Man powers? You made water boil across the room. And your eyes did this weird glowy thing.
My eyes were glowing?
Yes! It was so freaky, but cool.
I wonder if I can do it again.
What are you doing? Are you like meditating or something?
I am trying to boil water with my mind. Now, shh. Let me concentrate.
That's not how you did it the first time. You were all emotional.
I was not emotional.
You were yelling.
Fine, I'll try it.
Grrr! What was that? What are you trying to do? Scare it into boiling?
Oh yeah? Now you got jokes? I'd like to see you try.
Sorry, I can't help myself. But I said yell, not growl.
I have nothing to yell about. Provoke me.
Like how?
I don't know. Say something that will make me mad.
I don't want to make you mad. I love you, Cali. You're my sister.
I know, Sommer, but we're trying to recreate the conditions that led to the powers.
But just the idea of you being mad at me makes me so sad. And you want me to be mean to you on purpose? I could never do that.
Will you just do it already?
Fine. I found your last chapter on ScriptPad to be predictable and derivative, and I dropped your toothbrush on the floor.
Predictable? Derivative? My toothbrush?
Cali, you did it. You're a superhero. Okay, everyone. This is crunch time. We have 1 hour until our last final. Then we can say goodbye to our freshman year of college because we'll be sophomores. Assuming you all pass. Alex, I didn't know you were home. Would you like to study with us? Gross. I've been studying all week. I think my brain is full. Does my forehead look big to you?
No, it is the cutest little forehead in the world. Ew.
I'm just so happy that we can all come together to help one another study. Because that's what real friends do. And you know what else real friends do? They get coffee. Who wants some? It's on me.
Wow, Jazz. You're being so nice.
Yeah, what did you do?
Nothing! I did nothing! I'm completely innocent!
Whoa, I was just joking. Chill out.
But I will take a cocoa latte if you are paying.
Iced coffee with almond milk. No sweetener.
I'll take a strawberry frap. Espresso.
I will take a coffee. Black. Venti Oreo frap with caramel sauce on the bottom, in the middle, and drizzled on top. Extra whipped cream, sprinkled with crushed Oreo cookie bits. And you can add a little caramel sauce. I know it's unconventional, but hey, I live dangerously. And they're gonna tell you they can't make it because it's on the secret menu, but just go to Matt. He'll get it done.
Wow, Damon. All I can say is, wow.
I'll write it down. And Jazz, I'll go with you to help you carry everything.
Like a date?
Like a coffee run.
Which is secretly like a date. Let me answer this, and then I'll be ready to go on our secret date.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, it's you.
Jazz, it's time. I have a job for you.
Now? Now is not a good time. I have a final in less than an hour.
You will make it to your test on time. A package is being delivered to your house as we speak. I need you to bring it to me. But whatever you do, don't open it.
Okay. Sorry everyone, but something has come up and I have to go.
What about the coffee?
Sorry, but my professor really needs this book. Like now, I wrote some very important stuff in it. So I have to go. Rain check. Oh, I can't believe I had to cancel my date with Damon just because of my deal with V. How did I even get in this situation in the first place? Now I have to work for V and lie to my friends. There has got to be a way I can get out of this. I could just tell the truth, but then Damon might never forgive me, and I can't take that chance. This must be the box. V, I got it, and I'm on my way. Summer vacation! Time to sit by the pool and soak up some vitamin D and do absolutely nothing for the next 9 weeks. Who's with me?
I'd love to, but I'm taking a few classes this summer. You're welcome to join me.
Cali. Volunteer for more schoolwork? I think not.
Sabrina and I got summer jobs. We are renovating and reopening the coffee shop. Oh, was that this summer? Yes, Brina, you agreed right there in front of Mama and Daddy. I can't do all that work by myself. Well, Nigel, I guess it's just going to be us, hanging out by the pool.
Actually, I have to go back home for a few weeks.
What?
Family business stuff. My parents want me to meet the board members and learn all the ropes.
Will you call every day?
I will call every hour.
What about you, Jazz? I kind of got a summer job too.
Really? What you doing?
Oh, it's complicated and very, very boring. Trust me, you don't want to hear about it.
I guess it's just you and me. We can be detectives solving supernatural mysteries. I think I'd rather take that summer class with Cali. Aw, that's messed up. Dude, are you trying to steal my girlfriend? What? No, never.
Well, now that finals are over, maybe we can figure out how you became a superhero.
I've been thinking about that, and I don't think I'm a superhero.
Why would you say that?
My powers only work when I'm angry. That can't be a good thing.
But that doesn't mean it's a bad thing either. Maybe you just need to learn how to control them.
Maybe you're right.
Of course I'm right. I watch a lot of sci-fi movies. I'm kind of an expert. But most importantly, we're twins, right?
Right?
So where are my powers? I mean, unless you were bitten by a radioactive mosquito, I should have them too, right?
Yeah, I guess so. But then again, we're not identical twins, so maybe that has something to do with it.
I think I know where we can go to find some answers.
Look at what the cat dragged in.
What are you doing here?
I can come here whenever I want. You don't own the world, Summer.
Well, hello, babies.
Hello, Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
Come on in. I was just about to make a cup of tea. Make yourself comfortable. Have a seat. Thanks, Grandma. How do you like your tea? With a little bit of ice to cool it down? Or burn your face off hot? Personally, I enjoy a steaming cup of Earl Grey.
I'll take a little milk to cool it off.
All I have is almond milk. You okay with that?
Yes, that's fine.
Tea, Earl Grey, hot.
Same for me, Grandma.
Coming right up. Interesting. So, Cali, have you seen your perfect mystery guy lately?
No, and I don't know his name, so I can't look him up.
Wait, Callie has a secret crush and she doesn't even know his name? Sounds like he's made up to me.
He's not. He's totally real.
Right, Callie? He's actually real.
Yes.
You sure? Hello, V. It's me, Jazz. I have another one of your mysterious packages.
Just in time. I found another vampire. A new subject to experiment on.
To be continued on the next Summer in Cali.